Hello, good everyone. Welcome back to Leum YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how about creation the text in two colors in Photoshop. For the highlight in this video, as the text coming up like this, I will show you like this. You can see the text is divided into color. Example like this, I will show you. That it is my preview in this video tutorial. So before we are going to watch my tutorial together, please don't forget to click like, subscribe and hit the button to get the notification. Also my video I have been uploaded in my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click with my social media. I show you like this. So let's visit together. Okay, first open the Adobe Photoshop. Okay, in the detail box, go to the new file here. The title preset detail, write down example. The text into color like this, or any name write down. Up to you about this. Yes, for the places I have setting 1200 XD and 720. Yes, okay, just only click OK.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, in this dialog, write down the text, go to the T or press T in keyboard or press this word. Okay, write down example. Okay. Okay. Go to this, select and adjust or adjust or select the style of the text. Yes, we have to change in this the font of the text. Yes, the first before we are going to separate into color, we have to adjust or change the text finish first. So example like this. If the black color is not good enough, we can change. Okay, this example I will change this color into color. Okay, example. Okay. Example in this text, up to you according to your design. Yeah, not throw up like this. It's you can choose a red color or pink color, something like that. Yeah, okay. The first layer we have write down the text already, so we have to copy in this text. Yeah, example, copy or Control J in keyboard. Okay, you can see the text. So for the second layer, change the color. Yeah, example, the color I use the pink, something like this. Okay, or any color. Yes, up to you about this. Okay, this okay. Yeah. After we have two color in one text only, you see. Okay, close eye, open eye. Yes, we have two color. Oh, for the next we start separate into color. Okay, let's go. Okay, go to the pen tool. Yeah, like this. Left click. Yes, select pen tool. Yeah, after that starts for the first like this, drag down and adjust up to you according to your design like this. Okay, drag. Okay, out of the text. Yeah, like this. So show the end of the start the pen tool, and you can see left click. Yeah, right now the text is showing. Right now the pen tool is showing together already. So for the next, control, press the control and enter. You can see like this. So for the next, select the layer 2 and go to as layer mask, left click. You can see the text is changed to two colors already. The first one in orange, the second one is pink. Yes. Okay. It seems to be like we have two layers, so we have to make two layers in one group. For the next, because we want to add the stroke or drop shadow, something like that. So press shift and select the first layer, control shift to make the group. Right now we have one text in one group already. Yeah. So start, press the stroke, go to function add layer style, add layer style, left click and select the stroke, stroke. Okay, so okay, example black, stroke black, something like this. Or any color. No, not specific for the black. Like it is up to you, it according to your design. For this, because it just read for the basic. How about decorate for the text in two color? Yeah. Okay, it up to you about this. Yes. In this tutorial, I select black. Okay. For the text, select drop shadow. Yeah, like this. You can see the text is just changed drop shadow already in the angle. Example, I select the angle. Yeah, like this. Okay. For this one, you can adjust like this. How different about this stroke? Okay, you can see. Adjust like this. Okay, I think enough or not enough, up to you.
I just do that's fact and I don't feel no shame. It's a mood you lack. I go crazy.
If we think that it's good enough, we just click OK. You can see.
About to unpack all these things I've been chasing.
You can see the text separate into for any color you can select by yourself. Yes. Yahoo!
I'm living up every breath. I'd rather leave than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread.
Okay, that's all. I hope that this video tutorial is really useful for you. How about create text into two colors? Yeah. The finally, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the button to get the notification and follow up my YouTube channel. Like this, you can see from YouTube channel. Okay, see you next clip. Thank you very much for watching. See you next clip. Bye bye.